Hello, today I want to show you the project that I have been replicated from CodeMonkey. And this project is all about YouTube live streaming, and it will be written all the comment while you streaming and display on the taskbar. And that's not complicated. I will show you the code that I've been write and the process that I do it and how to use that application. And this project I really excited to replicate that because it's for my actually for my personal use, and I will put the link in the description below if you want to use it. And I really happy to read all your feedback. And yeah, and so why I'm doing that stuff when someone else created, developed it already, because CodeMonkey doesn't provide us the application that we can use, and but he actually gave us the guideline to achieve that, and I will be follow or walk through that guideline and will be do it, and we can test it either, and so now let's check it out. Okay, after you extract that file and you go to this application, you will see the application. Okay, now we can use your streaming ID, but now by the way, I just want to test it. So ID, copy the ID like this. Double click on this application, and you will see this panel will be pop up in front of everything else. And now just put the ID that you have been copied from this streaming video streaming, and you control V for pass and click go live button, and everything is done. So now there you have it. And now let me show you some feature. And now I will put it in this TV. You will see how cool is that. And let's see, this is the last test comment right there. Now it's not the last anymore. And now I will show you the go live. So go live in pop up này, pop up character នឹង ហើយ character ហ្នឹងគឺមានឈ្មោះ character ហ្នឹង represent ឲ្យ channel គាត់ comment នីមួយៗនេះអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឃើញ icon ហ្នឹងអត់បើសិនបើជា icon green បែបហ្នឹងមានន័យថាជា comment ដែលថ្មីជាងគេអញ្ចឹងស្រួលឧបមាថា Okay, there are 20 character as a default, and you can customize it. And for this status, it means the latest comment, and this gray status is all the previous comment. And on the top overhead of the character is the channel username, and cool. Okay, so now let's jump into the code, and the code doesn't that complicated, and I will do really quick because there's only two scripts: the YouTube live chat class and the assistant class. For the assistant class, I use it to handle all the activity of the character. Something is like the character username or channel username, the comment or the mistake that will pop up as a bubble overhead of the character, and the character texture. The character texture is a character sprite. You can use the default one, or you can customize. For how to customize, we show all the process in the next video, and you can customize the number of how many number the characters should be show up on the taskbar. And I think 25 is that enough. It's full screen. And when you scroll it down, you will see the condition that said about the comment status. Something is like if it the last comment. Okay, so now I will talk about it. For this icon, it will be easy to take a look which one is the last comment. And if it the last comment, it will be to show the icon type happy. For this chat bubble create function, I import it from CodeMonkey class. So CodeMonkey is a game developer. Yeah, you might be know him as well. And for the next status is the yellow one. The yellow is represent to the comment after the latest comment. And for all 5 other previous is show as a gray icon type. For this class, I use it to handle to fake all the comment from the streaming video live chat. And this is actually API you get from Google Cloud. And let me show you. This Google Cloud, you can enable it and you will get an API key, and you put it right there, and you will. And this video ID, you actually need to put to find the specific one, which streaming you want to use. And this character sprite JSON URL is an API that map from the channel ID and the character sprite. This is for when you want to customize your character, something you want to use your own character sprite, right? I will show it later, so don't worry about that. And so now let's go down. You will see the shutdown function, shutdown button, that you can close the application, and the video ID input in the input field that you can see right there. You cut the text from that to put into this variable. When you scroll it down, you will see a lot of function, a lot of stuff, but don't worry about that. That's pretty basic. And now let's go down, and I will show you the important one. So scroll down. This is the how I get the current view. For this fetch character mapping function, it's just to map from the character to the comment that user comment in your streaming video. And this is actually the most important in this script, get live chat message. Okay, when you scroll it down, you will see this function, get live chat message. This is really the most important in this script. So this is to handle all the comment from the streaming video. And you actually scroll down a little bit more, you will see this variable. This is you actually capture the display name. Display name is the username of the channel that comment on your video streaming, and the message or the comment, and the channel ID. The channel ID is really special, the special one, because it used to map from the character sprite that you customize and the channel that you comment in your streaming video. So I will show you in another video later, so don't worry about that. And so now when you scroll it down a little bit more, you will see the function handle new comment. When the comment that the character has been instantiated, or the channel has been instantiated the character already, it doesn't instantiate anymore, it's just a little bit optimized. And when you scroll it down, you will see the download texture. This is for customize character sprite, and you need to download the sprite to display in the application. And this get random spawn position, this function is used to random when characters spawn. It doesn't respawn at the same place, it just use the random ones, and to make it the same thing, so make it random as a natural one. And so that's it. I hope you enjoy it. Mẹ làm gì chứ? Mẹ làm cho mình sao? Mẹ làm nó lên cao à? Mẹ làm cao. Rồi. Phải chịu trội. Mà step administrator, bên này